it for him. Let him eat this first. I'll teach him to dance later.
What did you do, Mutlu? How can a little turtle eat this huge leaf all by itself?
But he'll grow more quickly if he eats this, sis. He needs to be much larger by the time Monday comes around.
No way, Mutlu. I think his stomach must be so tiny now.
You know, I think this is too much. Let me tell my teacher that he needs to stay longer. He'll finish it by then.
Today I found a new friend, it's a turtle. He's a bit slow, but don't mind him, he still gets around fine. He walks around the grass all day, walks around the yard. Takes a nap if he's tired, having his house on his back. Oh, my turtle. Walks around the grass all day, walks around the yard. Oh, oh, my turtle. Wherever he goes, he's got his house on his back. Oh, my turtle.
Somewhere very far, Minnie, Maddie,